Today we have got the 2024 Harris 250 Cruiser. Just came in. This is in the matte blue and black accent. Got the black powder coated rails on it. Does have the electric bimini top on it. Push a button up and down. Got the rail system back here. Fender holders. 4-step boarding ladder. Powered with a Mercury 200 four-stroke engine. Let's step up inside and take a look at the features in the back. Back in the back, we've got an integrated cooler built into the back seat. Cup holders with lights in them. Plenty of storage through the seating area here. You've got a lounge seat that will fold forward or back, depending on which way you want to face. This is equipped with dual captain chairs. Has the table flip up, stows away very easily. More drink holders here. On the dash, you've got the integrated Simrad chart plotter fish finder. You've got a wireless cell phone charger here. JL audio stereo system. Hidden floor ski locker. Notice this large area in the front, plenty of seating. This is a removable filler cushion seat. I'll move it to the front or the side. Again, more drink holders on the port and starboard side with integrated USB ports for your cell phones. Come by MarineMax Lake Norman. See this Harris Cruiser here in Cornelius.